G'day YouTubers, I'm Dodger Moore and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a ride from Dixon's Creek to Yarck. That's right, Yarck. You may be asking yourself, where the Farck is Yarck? Well, grab yourself a beverage, sit back and enjoy the ride with me and find out where I'm going.
Follow no wind, getting deeper in the frame. I see your face, I feel the pain, but you chose the path I follow. I'm in love with the way that you hold me when I fall back down, and I'm in love with the words from your voice that pull me off the ground now. This love's been a long time coming. My breath slows but my heart keeps running. I'm so fed up of the lies that my heart believed in, but staring deep into your eyes makes it all forgiven. I feel my comfort will be blown, my fears will grow out of control. Yeah, you still want the path I follow. Put me off the ground now. This love's been a long time coming. My breath stalls but my heart keeps running.
Well YouTubers, that's the ride for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of my rides. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you later. Well, it's raining. Yep, it's really raining.